As Russia is trying to catch up with Ukraine's implementation of drones on the battlefield, unmanned ground vehicles has not been as commonly deployed as aerial drone due to several drawbacks. But as these could add benefits and play a role on the battlefield, the implementation is more experimental as Ukraine has ground vehicle laying mines. But as a Ukrainian drone spotted a Russian unmanned vehicle, possibly carrying resources. As the ground vehicle is slow with fairly poor maneuverability and with zero defense, it becomes an easy target on the battlefield, as seen here as a FPV drone strikes the ground vehicle fairly easily, destroying another of Russia's equipment, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.